Hi guys, this is Tekon. Today I'm gonna show you a very good app I found to clone apps if you need to use simultaneously many accounts, multiple accounts like WhatsApp, Facebook, Business Manager. I would recommend this clone app application. I'm gonna leave the link for the Play Store on this video description. It's a very good app, guys. I searched for a lot of apps before finding this one, and a lot of apps gave me crash issues or instability, won't work very well with Business Manager, won't work very well with Facebook IDs, or for change Facebook profiles between Facebook profiles. So this app, I think it's very good. I'm gonna leave the description here, guys. I'm gonna just show you how it is. Once you install the app, it's gonna ask you for some permissions. It needs access to work well, but once you set up all the permissions like the app asks you, you can start cloning very easily your apps. So you can just select here from the app you like to clone, and you can have many apps working for you. You just select here clone, and then we just need to choose an app. For you to use more multiple accounts from same app, like to have many Facebook accounts, you need to have like the pro version, the VIP version. But it's also good that the developer he give us many ways, many activities to get a VIP code for free, and this is very nice. There are many things you can do here, just like I'm doing right now, and I'm not doing just because he asks, but because I think the program, the app is very good. It really helped me. So I would really recommend you to take a look on this app. It's very nice, have many very nice features you can use. You can lock your profiles, many nice features, especially if you get the VIP version. So definitely you should check it out if you need to use multiple accounts. This is the best you are getting for your Android. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and share, and see you later.